Welcome back to Sky and Sea Reviews. Today, we're diving into the future of aviation with an exclusive look at the 2026 Lockheed ER-2 6th generation. A true marvel of engineering, this aircraft isn't just a step forward. It's a giant leap. From its groundbreaking performance to its sleek exterior design and impressive fuel efficiency, the ER-2 is redefining what's possible in the skies. Let's get into it. Performance. The 2026 ER-2 pushes the limits of high-altitude surveillance with unmatched precision. With a top speed exceeding Mach 1.7 and a service ceiling well beyond 80,000 feet, this aircraft operates where few can reach. Enhanced stealth capabilities and upgraded avionics give the ER-2 a competitive edge, making it faster, smarter, and more adaptable than ever before. Whether for military reconnaissance or cutting-edge scientific missions, its performance is truly second to none. Exterior design. Lockheed has sculpted the ER-2 6th generation with a focus on both form and function. The airframe is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, featuring smooth, contoured lines designed to minimize radar cross-section and maximize lift. A combination of lightweight composites and advanced alloys not only reduces weight, but also strengthens durability under extreme conditions. The new retractable sensor bays blend seamlessly into the design, giving the aircraft a futuristic, almost alien appearance when in flight. Fuel efficiency. Despite its power and high-speed capabilities, the 2026 ER-2 doesn't sacrifice efficiency. Thanks to an advanced hybrid propulsion system and lightweight materials, fuel consumption is reduced by nearly 30% compared to previous models. Extended mission range and longer flight durations mean fewer refueling stops and a smaller carbon footprint, a huge win for both operational costs and environmental impact. Outro. The 2026 Lockheed ER-2 6th generation isn't just an aircraft. It's a symbol of where innovation, performance, and sustainability meet. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or simply love seeing how far technology can go, the ER-2 proves that the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. Thanks for tuning into Sky and Sea Reviews. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a journey into the skies and beyond. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.